Hello viewers. In this module, we will continue our chapter with the High Court. At the state level, the High Court is the highest court of appeal. At present, there are 24 high courts in the country which serve 29 states, 6 union territories. Children, we know high courts are the highest court at the state level, but being a part of integrated Indian judiciary, they work under the supervision, direction and control of the Supreme Court, right? Now, the structure of high courts. Every high court has a chief justice and a number of judges. The number of judges varies from state to state. The number of judges of each court is decided on the basis of the size of concerned state. Children, do you know who appoints the judges of High Court? Yes, judges of the High Courts are appointed by the President of India. While appointing the Chief Justice of a High Court, the President has to consult the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Governor of the state concerned. While appointing other judges, the President consults the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice of the High Court, and Governor of the state. The President of India can appoint additional judges for a maximum period of 2 years. Who can be appointed as a judge of High Court? In order to be appointed as a High Court judge, a person should be a citizen of India. He should have at least 10 years experience as an advocate of a High Court of India, or he should have at least 10 years experience as a judicial officer in the territory of India continuously without break. Tenure or term of the judges of High Court. Once appointed, the High Court judges hold office till they gain the age of 62 years. Means a High Court judge retires at the age of 62 years. After retirement, they may be appointed judges of the Supreme Court, or they may practice as advocates either in the Supreme Court or in any High Court other than the High Court in which they served as judges. One thing more which I want to add here is a transfer of judges. The judges of High Court can be transferred by the President from one High Court to another after consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Jurisdiction and powers. Generally, the jurisdiction of High Court is appellate. The original jurisdiction of the High Courts is very limited. Every High Court has a power to interpret the Constitution. The High Court has the power to issue rights and orders for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. Appellate jurisdiction. The High Court is the highest court of appeal in the state. It hears appeals in both civil and criminal cases against the decisions of the subordinate courts and reviews the judgments. It approves a death sentence awarded by a session judge. It controls and supervises the working of the subordinate courts. Now, Court of Records. High Court is also called Court of Records. Its judgments are preserved as record. If a person commits a contempt of High Court, the court has the authority to punish him. So, children, that was all about the High Court. I hope you have understood.